Hi beauty, so in today's video I'm going to share with you my prep routine before I apply my makeup for the smoothest application and so it can last the very longest. By the way, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. No matter if you have like the best makeup ever, it's very important for you to like take care of your skin depending on your skin type. Very sensitive skin, acne prone, so these products work wonders for me. Show you the product that I use, but obviously you don't have to use the same one. First thing would be cleaning my hands. Our hands could be extremely dirty. I always have one of these in my bathroom, which is any of the Bath and Body Works. I just love. It smells so good. It's a foam, so it's extremely gentle. Next thing we're gonna do is, I usually do this in the shower, but for the purpose of this video, we're gonna do it again here. So I like to use a face cleanser. So happy that I found this, and I've been wanting to show you guys this for so long, and this is from Garnier. I also have one from Tatcha, but in this video I just wanted to show you this one. This is the Garnier Skin Active, the Gentle Sulfate Free Cleanser, and this feels so gentle on the face. So it says it has no sulfates, no oil, no soap, no alcohol, no fragrance. Dermatologist tested for gentleness, and you get such a big bottle. You may have breakouts. Sometimes I have breakouts and it does not hurt whatsoever. It's just the most gentle thing. Your face doesn't feel like super dry. You're not left oily, greasy. You just feel so clean, and it says it gently foams to remove oil, impurities, and makeup for soft, healthy looking skin. Best cleanser that I have tried from the drugstore, and it softens your skin as it cleanses. Never has your skin feeling tight or dry. So highly recommend this. It's all skin types, even sensitive skin. And I like to apply a nice facial spray to the skin, and I'm extremely oily and sensitive, and this works so well. I have reviewed these on my channel. This is the Mario Badescu facial spray, and this is the one with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I also love to use the one with rose water. They do have a purple one as well, but if you're like more on the sensitive side, I would say this one or the rose water. Depends what scent you prefer. And this is good for all skin types. Mario Badescu always puts on their products what skin type the product is good for. So I mean, I love this. It really feels so good, refreshing, so calming. I just let that dry for about a minute or so, 2 minutes. I love getting the travel size. They do sell it in a bigger size as well. This is just the 2 ounce. It's cruelty free and paraben free. No greasy feeling whatsoever. You can use this to set your makeup even during the day, just for a refresher. After that is dried, then I move on to a moisturizer. I have many moisturizers that I love, but honestly the one I always gravitate towards is the first one I ever used, because I was always so scared to use a moisturizer because I thought, I'm so oily, I'm not gonna put a moisturizer at all, and that is the worst thing you could do. The best thing I would say is go for gels or water creams. If you're not that sensitive and you're more of a dry, then go for the lotions, but for sensitive skin I would go for the gel. This is so good. It doesn't leave me oily, greasy. It doesn't feel tacky. It's just the best. For like, there was years that I would never apply like a moisturizer before. I had to see how my foundation would look. It was just not pretty. Especially I like the full coverage ones, and they just didn't look good on the skin. And actually using a moisturizer will help you not get as oily. Like, no matter what, my oils come through. Nothing that's gonna stop that, but your face is not gonna feel like, oh my god, I have no moisture, I have to produce more and more oil. Moisturizer helps so much. This one is an oil-free formula that works to smooth and improve texture and condition of your skin. I just love Clinique. They have so many products that are good if you have sensitive skin. I think I'm gonna do a video showing you like my favorite moisturizer. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see that. I know not a lot of people do this, but I always do this step. It's so important, and no matter what the weather is, like, I think it's so good to protect your skin so you don't get sunspot. I definitely always use an SPF. This is SPF 50 from Clinique, especially for the face. This one is a face cream, oil free. It's amazing, and I use SPF 50. I use it every day before my foundation. If I don't use it, is maybe I'm just doing a tutorial at home and I'm not going anywhere. But no matter if it's winter, spring, summer, fall, this is so important to wear. I put this before my makeup, but after my makeup, if I'm gonna be out in the sun a lot, I like to use this Tarte powder that also has SPF. I believe is SPF 50, so that's like a touch-up for SPF during the day. So be extra careful that you're not gonna get burnt or anything. You don't get a white cast whatsoever. It blends so well. It doesn't feel greasy. I know you may be scared like, oh, it's gonna clog pores. This will not clog pores. Like, do your research. Obviously it works for me, maybe you won't like it, but I love this. Like, I've been using it for so many years, and if you've seen any of my makeup tutorials, you've seen that I use the drugstore has as well. I know the Neutrogena ones are really good if you have sensitive skin. After we have that on, it's time to prime the skin. Not everybody primes. I like to prime. I think it really helps, and I have two here. The reason I'm showing you this one, the Tatcha one, is because I love it so much, but I've definitely hit pan. I am on empty and I need to repurchase this, and this is the mini. I did a review on this if you want to know all my thoughts on this. Obviously I love it because I finished it, but I do have another one, which is the e.l.f. much more affordable, and I love this. This is a balm and it goes on so smoothly on the skin. It definitely like blurs the pores. It looks much nicer, and it just helps like a barrier between the foundation and your skin. It's just gonna blend out so smoothly, so flawless. It's just gonna look so good. I love how much it helps with the pores. These are not the only two primers. Like, I always review products, so I'm always trying new things. I do have a video showing you all the primers that I love, but these are the ones that I've been using the most. I use one from Too Faced, one from Cover FX. Like, there's many good ones, but these two I love, and this smells so good. This is not scented, so it just depends. I do have videos on both if you're interested. This is just my routine. This is what works for me, and it really helps. My foundation has helped my makeup application, the duration of my makeup. I love it. Know what are some products that you use? I would love to try different things. Hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.